Alright guys, so today we're replacing the fan shrouder, fan assembly. Watch out when you take out the fan. Like you see here, there's some damage by accident. But let me show you how I took it out, because a lot of people are saying you have to remove the front. Sorry. I took out the fan without removing the bumper. See, the bumper's right there. So the way I did it was 8mm socket. Sorry, I think it was let me get that straight up for you guys. That's an 8mm socket. There's gonna be 3 bolts. One bolt. Over there is gonna be another bolt, and the third one is gonna be right here. So the only thing I removed was the oil transmission line, the top one. As you can see, first you pry this. Let me get you guys going right here. You pry this plastic clip off. Just pry it off. Just be slow on it. Then around this, you're gonna have a metal clip. This. Just put a flat screwdriver. Pull it back. Be careful, don't lose it. You pull it back and remove it. Then after that, you just pull the line. A little bit of oil is gonna come out, but that's fine. Just pull out the line back. That will make you more room. And once you remove those 3 screws, 1, 2, 3, try it and push the shrouder to that side, because it goes inside here. So you gotta push it that side. Fuck, this coolant burns. So pop it off a little bit, move it to that side. You're gonna have a problem on the bottom. Just go underneath and help the shrouder, because it's gonna be hitting this right here. It's gonna be hitting this, and you won't be able to move it that way. So from the bottom right here, pull the shrouder over here, and then that way. Once you're able to have everything clear from this side, just move the shrouder back that way, and then it's gonna get off from here. Once you get it off from here, pull over here. You're gonna remove this coolant line too. I use this. It's really helpful. It's gonna connect here, right here. So you remove the coolant line. So the shrouder first, a little bit like that. Pull it over there. Then it's gonna go like this. You're gonna grab this side, pull it up, and that's when I scrape my radiator a little bit. Just be careful. There's no leaks, luckily. Just be careful. Remove it slowly, since I wasn't careful enough. Help the shrouder not hit the radiator. And then once you lift from this side up, it will come out. I'm gonna try and show you guys how to put it back in right now. Sorry that I didn't record. Oh, you also remove this for sure. I mean, obviously, right? So let me repeat my steps. My English is not that good, but let me try and help you guys again. I don't want you guys removing the bumper and doing all that extra work like everybody does. I know the 1.8 it's really easy to change. For the 1.4, it shouldn't be that hard either. Remove the tank. Remove this. remove the transmission top oil line. I already showed you how. Also, what helped me out is removing these clips. It goes here, so I removed them because it was hitting the shutter and wasn't letting me move. You're gonna remove those 3 screws. One on top and one on top and then one on the bottom. So that's 3 in total. So then you're gonna try and push the shutter to this side, move it this side, so it can get unlocked from here. Once you have it unlocked, you're gonna bring the radiator fan shutter to yourself. That should be it, guys. I got it out. That's the new one. I have a doorless. It's gonna be a free replacement since it's under warranty. That's the old one. And this is how the old one looks. And this is the brand new one. So my low speed and medium speed were not working. And the way you troubleshoot it is, well, I can make another video if you guys want on that, because it's probably gonna take your guys' time. But if you want to, if you want me to show you guys how to troubleshoot this, coming for the release, let me know. Okay. All right, guys. So it's 1, 2, 3. This is where it locks, so that's why you have to put it that way, so you can unlock this. Then you're gonna bring it up like this and pull it out. Sounds easy, but make sure this side, this is not hitting the radiator. Make sure. Help the radiator fan shutter. Just pulling it from the bottom this way. You'll be able to get it out. You see, that's how you pull it out and put it in. Try and pull these lines that way so you can have more space. Don't let the fan hit the radiator. Here's the cable. Just take it slowly. You see, we're moving slowly, making progress. See how it's hitting the bottom? Just put your hand here and push so it doesn't hit the radiator. Go slowly, go slowly. Going in, boys, going in. Alright guys, so I got it in. Sorry, my phone turned off because it got hot. So just make sure you don't scrape the radiator. Move the hoses a little bit. Move this. You're able to move this to the front a little bit. And make sure every time you get stuck, you kind of like pull the radiator by putting your hand inside. And don't forget to connect this when you're finished. And it's getting there. It's almost there. I just need to like move it around and still, but it's already in. I mean, I just gotta work with it a little bit. Oh, by the way, you gotta remove that too. Remove that. But it is possible. So right now I just gotta put it this way to get it inside. To get this inside there. But I can because this is what I was talking about. I can't move it this way anymore because it's hitting the bottom. So we're gonna go to the bottom. So right here, this is the shrouder. I'm gonna just like grab it and pull it back and try to push it that way. And that's how you do this part. Alright boys, we got it in place. Like I said, this piece has to go inside here, which is this one. It goes on inside a plastic. I had a little hard time, but I got it going. Because like I said, on that corner it touches the radiator trim. So just help out by putting it that way and push this way, and then you have room to like eventually put it inside here. Now to put the screws 1, 2, and 3, the bottom one in the very corner, which is this is 1, 2, and 3. This is the very corner. So this is what hits the radiator trim. So just go from the bottom, put it this way, and then move it this way, and you'll be able to go over the little border that it has on the radiator. So now I'm gonna put the screws, 8mm. There's 3 of them. Put everything back. Alright guys, I got every screw in. Bottom one, I'm about to put this line that we took out. You can see it's still not in place. Push it in. Okay, now we're gonna grab our lock. Let's see if I can do this. And what I remember was took it out from this side. This is super hard. I'm risking this in this thing. Oh, I fucked it up. It's lost, boys. Off of the video. Fuck. I found it. I've already put it in there. It's inside. Can you see it? It's on both sides. Make sure it's in there. And we're gonna bring our black top. And we're just gonna push this side. This one's a little tricky too. Just push, push until all sides are even. We need to, you need to bring it back out and okay. Need the top part to click in, and you'll be good to go. I'm gonna work on this. Okay, place this back in there. Place it back in there. And if you remove this one back. Alright, that's tightened up, that's secured. Our other two bolts, they're secure, one, two. And our oil line is secured. This is secured. We just took it out. Now we're gonna put this inside. Yeah. Stop dripping.